Here's how I saved $600 in Switzerland. And trust me, you can do it too. On my last trip to Switzerland, I saved 10% on the Swiss Travel Pass, 25% on Mount Titlis, 30% on Mount Pilatus, and even got 3 gigabytes of Switzerland data completely free. If you want these strategies, I've put everything into a short, easy-to-use ebook. Everyone who follows it ends up saving at least $250 and often a lot more. The link is in the description. And honestly, Switzerland is expensive enough. There's no reason to spend more than necessary when the smarter option is right in front of you.